Yes, my people, good morning, good morning, good morning. As you can hear my voice. Don't wake good as yet, but yeah, we have to get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. Yeah, today's Labor Day, Labor Day, Labor Day. Time to clean up, clean up. See that, man? We're not going on a robbery, no. We're gonna work. Yes, people, we're gonna work, we're gonna work, we're gonna work. Yeah. Here is my machine. Yeah. So we're gonna cut and we're gonna spray. Yes, people, cleaning day, cleaning day. Have a wonderful good morning to everyone out there. Yes, my people, so you don't see walk already. So this is the spray pan, my people. Yes, man, the spray pan this, so I'm going to mix some chemical and no. Burn down some bush, my people. Yes, man, the big day and I'm on and I do some labor here clean up. Yes, my people. One love and big up on yourself. Yes, my people, and please stay safe. Yes, people, I'm going to do some spray now. Doing some spray.
Love is like a brand new toy.
Yeah, we have some okras. But we're not going to spray the okras, we're going to spray the weeds. Yes, my people, so see, we have some okras. Yeah, we have some okras. We're going to spray the bushes. I'm going to put this on your banana, no, you're doing the process. Here we have some cassava. We have a cassava tree here. So we're not going to spray the cassava, we're going to go around the bushes. Here we got a banana up here. There we have a banana. But this, no, we ain't going to spray. I spray the bushes along. Mangoes falling, people. Be careful if I pop on here. Yeah, pop on. We have more stuff over here. So we have to be very careful. If you catch it, you're gonna die. Coconut tree. See some jelly up there. Just stay there. Mango, 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 mangoes. Mangoes. Yeah, mango. Mangoes, mangoes. Some ripe, some not ripe. Mangoes, mangoes, mangoes. Mangoes, mangoes. Oh yeah, there we have a there we have a ripe one. Mangoes, mangoes, mangoes. Here's some paper. We have some mango. This one over here says full belly. And these little one are fine skin. Here's the paper. Here's one. We don't know where they are. Here's the paper. We don't know where they are. Everybody are going to do some cleaning and play some music. Yes, as you can hear the music in the background. Paper. Just don't screw out some bush. Yes, the paper and they are going to ease myself. You don't know, so look a bit from this now. We're going to cook some food. I don't know why I go on at my paper. What I put on the menu yet, but you know, stay tuned. And I understand. Yes, the paper and big up on yourself and have a wonderful day. Yes, my people. Blessings.